guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about how to make $100 or £100 per day from one single site. So before we get into the videos, please subscribe to our channels. We are trying to upload 3 videos per week, usually on Monday, Thursday or Saturday. So we're gonna cover whole different topic like tutorials and all sort of stuff. So subscribe to our channels. Before we get in the video, just guys, please give me 5 minutes before you cancel the videos or just go and watch something else. Just give me 5 minutes, just watch the videos. If you don't like it, feel free to dislike our videos. If you like it, like our videos, share and subscribe. Alright, the website I'm talking about today is called ohmydosh.co.uk. This site has everything you wanted in here, and the site is legit. You can trust 100%. I'll talk about why in the end of the videos. So if you go to if you register for them, they already give you a 50 cents bonus. Alright, so you already get 50 cents bonus. So if you come down to the left side of the website, you have all these offer sites. Alright, there's a different way you can make money from this website. One, you spend money, make money, or you do survey and make money. Survey is a simple thing, just answer a couple of questions, you get paid and money. So if you go to the survey section here, it will take to this page, and one of them, a partner is a live point. You can survey and do the survey with the live point. You can go to their website and do the survey, or you can do the survey from here. You can make money by doing survey questions. Okay, just answering a question. But there are other way you can make money by spending £1, $1 or $2, and you can double the money your investment. So for example, if you click the hot offer section, it will take to this page here. This is a lottery, so you have to spend $1, you get 250, so you make around 1.50 as a profit. But this one for Amazon membership, you can available on Amazon. Just you have to sign up for the 30-day free trial and you get 250. Then you can cancel this subscription within the 30 days. Again, this for BT program is only for the UK. I think this site work in other countries, but it's better to, if you are living in the UK, you have a more higher opportunity to do this service. Again, live point offer in the survey, you can make around 1.50. Then if you go to here, let's say like new offers, it will take to the another page, and then just cancel this one. Again, these ones you complete offers and get paid, or you can complete and get 6% cash back if you bought a product from the partner website. So for example, if you click this shop and earn, it will take you to another page where you can say, okay, the coupon up to 9% cash with coupon. So when you click this over, it takes you to the coupon website, and you can get 9% cash back for your next purchase. So it's very simple, guys, very easy and clean. That's if you go to the entertainment section, I never looked at what is inside the entertainment. Yes, again, it's a coupon which okay, it's not a movie, something like it's a Hey You subscription service here. Sky is here. So again, complete offers and get paid instantly. Thing is, these are all the offers you can complete. So there's hundreds of offers. You can make more than $500 per day, but it's depend on you guys. But it's still, if you want to make more money, you have to spend a little bit money. Like this one, if you go sign up for something, and you can cancel it anytime. So how is this working? Basically, you have to take the offers and complete the offers. Some of them say pending status because the partners who offer the service for you, they have to check your answers, and then they approve it. When they approve your offers, then the pending state is turned into complete and you get paid instantly. There's a cash ad using a PayPal. You need to have at least a £10 minimum. So if you click here, it's my account, you have a PayPal of the 50 pence available. But if you click the balance section, you need to have a minimum £10 pay, £10 to withdraw it direct to the PayPal, or it will take 3 to 5 working days for your bank transfers, guys. So what makes this website is eligible than other website? Why I say it's more legit? So again, I talk about before and more videos. First, check the website. Check the website is legit or scam. So in order to do that, you got to go Trustpilot and open the website. Just copy this domain and paste it here and search. Okay, it will open 3,194 reviews. That's around 4.5 stars, 77% excellent and 17% great. Leave the average and poor because you have a 77% is excellent. So the pretty good offer here is in all fairness and waiting for the withdrawal. Yep. And within my first week I made a $45 and cash out. Okay guys, so I show the proof. This is working fine. Do it in your free time. This is not alternative to your full-time income, but do it in your free time. So thanks guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe and share my videos, and look forward to more content like that, money making, motivations, life changing story, and a whole lot of things. So thanks guys again for watching my videos. See you next videos. Thank you guys.